Chriso, I'm just doing a doorway at the moment. Bill has asked me to show him. Sometimes people have a piece of aluminium there. I've got a piece of aluminium in there as a water stop. It's nice to have a bit of slope there, so it's not a sudden step. So we'll just pretty that up, wipe the glue away, and now I can start pulling out these wedges and start grouting up. Pretty it up a little. I'll move it together once the glue goes off a little and it'll stay there, or I put something against it like that with a bit of weight. It's got no weight in it, just to hold them there for an hour or so for the glue to go off. Or a bit of tape is good, but everything's damp at the moment. It won't take long to dry though in this heat. Okay, we'll zap those wedges and I'll start grouting. So yes, sometimes you have a sudden drop, a sudden step, and sometimes you're able to slope it if you've got your door on the outside. If it's a cavity slider, which means that your door is inside your wall, you haven't got enough room to slope it, so it's got to be a step. Okay, we'll see you soon. Yo!